So as you can see, I have designed this beautiful tourism poster in Canva, and you can easily design the same in just a few minutes. So before starting, I request all of you to please subscribe to the channel. It may be a small work for you, but it really means a lot to us. So let's start with it. So I'll click on social media, okay, and in Instagram post square format. So first I will find the images in the elements section. So the elements which I will be using is the Statue of Liberty, the sky, black color circle, white faded circle, black color circle which means shape which we can use to any type of color, which comes in default black color, and some clouds and birds. Okay, so first I will use this image for the main frame. So for that I will go to apps here, and here I will type mockup. I will choose the first one, and here I will scroll down to find print. Click on see all, and I will choose this frame. As you can see, I have brought it here, and after that I will use the image of the Statue of Liberty. So I will click on elements, and I will choose the Statue of Liberty here, and I will put it in the frame. So as you can see, it's not properly adjusted, so I will double click on it and align it here. So for this I will just make it like this, slightly bigger. Okay, so I will clip it like this and click on apply changes. Okay, so this one is done. Let's make it slightly bigger. After that I will use another time the same image and click on BG remover. So to make it to the same image size as the previous one, hold on to control and just move it to the side, because if you don't hold on control, it might come to the frame. As you can see in here, it might come to the frame if you don't hold on to control. And after that, just zoom into the image, okay, and just put a scale mark right here so that it becomes easier for you to scale the image. So as you can see, this first scale mark is right here and the second one is right here. So after that I will hold on control and make it bigger. Slightly bigger is needed. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's put it to the same size. Okay, so this one is done. After that, let's hold on to control again so that I can bring it to the same size as the previous one. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's crop it. So this one is done. So your main image is ready. Now just crop the side which is not required. Now click on Ctrl A and make it size smaller. Remove the scales because now it is not required. Okay, so let's zoom in again. Now we will put the sky in here. So to put the sky, just make it size bigger and right click, set image as background. Now to highlight this part, we will use this white faded circle. Okay, again hold on to control, make it size smaller and let's check if it is covering the whole of circle or not. Okay, so the glow is coming here, and now let's click on layers, show layer, and bring it just above the sky layer. Okay, so as you can see, the highlight here is done. Now let's add the text here. So to add the text, I'll go to text here, add a heading. I'll first write visit and let's put it right here. Okay, and change the font to Anton. Okay, and let's duplicate it and change the color here to white. Again this one also same, but let's change the word to statue and in the next line liberty. Okay, but we will decrease the spacing from here 1.05. Okay, this one is done. Now let's bring it slightly closer and this whole one, let's make it in the middle. So it is coming in the middle. Now here for the writing the off, I will just use this duplicate here and I will write here off, but I will change the color to deep blue. So the color change is done, but I will also change the font to Roomba, which is a handwriting font, and I will just bring it right in the middle. Okay, so here it is done. Let's middle it, and after that I will duplicate it again. I will bring it here. I will write USA tourism, but I will change the color to the same as this off writing, and I will also decrease the size to 36, and after that I will go to elements and use the USA flag. Let's bring it slightly in the upper. Let's zoom in and see if it is working well or not. So we can bring it slightly lower. So this one is done. The alignment is proper. Now for more effect, I'll use the clouds here. So the first cloud will go right here. The next one will go in the above. Duplicate it and place it right here. And I will use these birds. Decrease the size and place it right here. And I will go to layers again and move this cloud just below the Statue of Liberty. Okay, and your design is ready. But if you want to highlight this writing, just go to FX, see all, and after that you can just add some shadow here. So we will use some gray color shadow. Just increase the transparency to 65. Okay, and use the same in this part also. So this one is ready. So this is the design, and you can also design the same by following this tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. Thank you.